The evolution of the discipline has really come to a new level of focus for the industry. This year at the conference, there's a number of things that are different. We've just announced this morning our first Vanguard Lifetime Achievement Award in Revenue Management. We also had a great economist this morning that really set the stage from a global perspective of what are some of the macroeconomic drivers that are impacting money issues in the economies around the world. We do have a representation here of revenue management executives from all over the world, as well as a number of global companies represented. This year, 78% of the hotel attendees are in a corporate and regional position from over 130 different hotel brands, management companies, and ownership groups.
HSMAI is really important, and this conference especially. It's the one place where true revenue management professionals get together, talk through the issues.
I mean, this is the conference on revenue management. So anyone who's directly involved in the trenches doing price optimization, inventory control, any of the disciplines in connection with yield management and revenue management, this is the place to go.
It's incredibly valuable to me with the education portion of it. I've gained so much insight and knowledge into the industry and the market and just the networking opportunities themselves. You can interact with senior vice presidents or chief revenue officers as much as you can the other property level people in your market.
I think it's a unique blend of learning, exposure, networking, exposure to peers, as well as some of the technology partners and sponsors that we get. You get to see kind of what's changing, what's new.
We've been partners with HSMAI for the better part of a decade and participating in the ROC conference for the same amount of time. So the thing that's appealing for us is just the fact that it's not only focused on revenue management, but hotel revenue management and revenue optimization. And so it's a group of people that are singularly focused on the same thing.
Understanding how to better yield your inventory, where to get your distribution, how to better yield that distribution. It's helpful to have an organization and a conference that focuses on that, both from the experts in the industry, from the economics perspective, and then from the granular nature of distribution.
The great thing about ROC is it's the only organization that caters directly to the revenue management community as a non-for-profit. So there's no hidden agenda. Our goal is just to advance the practice of revenue management and the field itself.
And next year, we're excited to be co-located with High Tech again, and we'll be back in June in New Orleans. We'll see you there.